So we're going to start with a responsive display ad. And we'll keep the website as it is right here. So maybe we'll just put in the HTTPS because I believe it should be protected website. Okay. Business name is Titan Town. And we are going to upload some of our images that I have already prepared. So there'll be two sizes that Google Ads requests for responsive display ads. That means that it will change the shape where the text goes, where the image goes, depending on how it fits properly on the website. So responsive ads are probably the best way to go, and they're also easier to set up, and they only require 2 images, but the images do have to be a proper size. So there'll be one more horizontal image and a square image. So we're going to upload those, and I'll show you them. So display ads, and we'll go to pics, and we will go to these 2 images. We'll upload them. And we'll see if Google accepts them and that they're the proper size. So let's see if we select this one. Yeah, so the sizes are 1.91 to 1, which this looks like it is the correct size. Sorry about that. So we'll say select the, let's see if we, yeah, select the 1 ratio. Okay, and then we're going to select the other one as well. Okay, and we'll save it. So it looks like they are correct. So one of them will be completely square, and one of them, the aspect ratio will be basically 2 to 1. We will also upload a logo. Best practice to upload a logo as well. And we don't currently have one in our asset library, so we will upload one. Here's our logo. We'll see if Google Ads accepts it, if it's the right dimension. Okay, so let's save that. Okay, so I hope that shows up right. It looks like it may have done something to it. We want it to keep the same aspect ratio as it was built, and we don't want to squish the logo. And now we'll come up with some headlines here. So our offer is, for preferred customers, free 8-in-1 T-handle screwdriver with a $75 order. So we'll say T-handle screwdriver say free T-handle screwdriver. So maybe we'll just go with free T-handle screwdriver, or should maybe just select Amazon synthetic oil. So we can do multiple headlines. For customers, should say exclusive offer. Saw that in one of the examples. We can say 8-in-1 tea candle charger. We have enough for free. Okay, let's do a long headline. Free. Or we'll say with $75 purchase. $75 purchase. Let's say free 8-in-1 with $75 purchase. Descriptions. Let's say this. For preferred customers. And we can say, come up. And one thing I like to keep in mind is I try to keep all these caps. We'll look at those after. Okay, so I like to keep these, like I said, in title case. That's best practices for creating ads with Google Ads. Okay, so let's go to, I think that should be create ad, or we can actually look at some of the options of how it will look. We go up here. So you can see here, this is the headline we put in, the logo, and as I can see here, the logo is wrong. We're going to need to edit that and create one that is in a square format, or it will be cut off. So I will edit that later. And we can just edit the ad later. So here it's showing us another sample. So we can look at the different options here of what our ad is going to look like. So it looks like this is incomplete here. I think I'm just going to edit this headline here at Part Solutions. or I guess that would be the description. So I'm just going to edit here because it doesn't look right. Okay, let's just do that. And we're going to say okay. So we'll create the ad. Okay, so next. So here it's giving us a rundown of the campaign and everything we selected. It's saying that we should enter a CPC bid, but if possible, I'm going to just push through that and possibly do that later. And we're going to hit continue if they're going to let us. No, it looks like they won't let us, so I think we're going to have to fix it now, and we'll just have to enter an enhanced CPC bid at $1. Go to next. Next. Okay, so we're going to publish that campaign. So I noticed here that we have not set a name for our ad group, and I recommend setting a name just to differentiate in the future between ad groups. So we'll just set the name right here. So one more thing I just want to add here, we need to set up the billing. So I'm not going to show that on the screen, but we will need to set up billing, and I'll just show you here on the top right corner here. You can just select tools and settings, and then go to settings, and then you'll want to, and then once you go to settings, you'll navigate over to payment methods. This is where you'll set up the billing, put in the credit card information, agree to the terms and services, and then hit the submit button. And usually within an hour, they will review your campaign, and you can check your campaign and see its progress at that point. So we'll just click on that. And check out our campaign, our ad group. And it is pending under review. Should take up to 24 hours to get approval from Google, and then your ad will start running.